Hello and welcome to Lavon's Kitchen. Today I'm going to take a potato and make something delicious. First I'm going to slice these potatoes into wedges. Nice big wedges. I left the skin on. Put them all in a bowl. I'm going to add a little vegetable oil. Add some salt, pepper, and some smoked paprika. Now let's mix them up real good. Paprika, smoked paprika smells good. Now we're just going to put them on our pan. Now that they're on the pan, we're going to stick them in the air fryer and let them get nice and crispy. I'm going to use that same bowl and melt some butter. So I melted my butter, and I used that same bowl because I'm going to put some more of those same spices in here. So I'm going to put a little paprika, some black pepper, some salt. I'm adding this to my butter, and this time I'm going to add some crushed red peppers. So my fries are ready. I just took them out of the air fryer. Remember all of my seasonings that I put in here. I'm just going to mix that up really well. Now we're going to put the fries in there and mix them up. I'm just going to toss these real good in that buttery goodness. I forgot one thing. I forgot to put the garlic powder in there. No problem. Still got time. Now, let's mix them all up. What little bit of that garlicky, buttery, smoky butter that we have left. I'm just going to pour that on the top. Then I'm going to garnish it with some green onions. Just a few more. I love green onions. And there we go. Now these are some delicious fries.